Hey guys, this is Paul from MobileTrans, and here is the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So let's go ahead and start unboxing this, shall we? I'm not sure what to expect with this, to be honest with you. I've never really had a Note phone before, but I am excited to do a bit of an unboxing. Let's get rid of that out of the way. Let's open it up, see what we've got in there. And there it is. There is the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. 5G as well, so that'll be exciting. This is in the, what is it, the Mystic Black colour? I didn't want to go for anything else, but there it is. I think that looks quite nice. The box is quite good. I like the black colour on stuff. I don't like this whole weird, strange bronze colour that everyone else seems to have had. So if you pre-ordered the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, you got the beans with it. There they are, look at that. Annoying that they're not black though, they're just this horrible mystic bronze colour, but we can deal with them later on. So put them down there for now. Here it is, the Note 20 Ultra. You know what? That looks really good, doesn't it? That looks really nice. Should we see what we get in it? So first of all, you get the phone. Let's move that out of the way. So you get the Note 20 Ultra. Let's put it on top of there. Inside the box, what else do you get? So a little bit of nothing there. You get your power brick, which is in there. See that one there? A bit smaller than some of the others actually. And then, you still get headphones. So you still get these, the AKG headphones, which I wasn't expecting that, considering you get the Galaxy Buds as well with these, but hey, okay, I'll take that. So, should we do what every person on an unboxing does now? Do you want to hear the sound? Right, let's at least switch it on then and see what this phone's like. It's a bit smaller than I thought it'd be. I thought this would be a little bit bigger, but it's already, you can see fingerprint magnet all over the back of it. I don't know if you can see the fingerprints on the side there already. But yeah, it's not as big as I thought it'd be. I thought this would be a lot bigger. But hey, so the big camera bump on the back straight away, you can see that is just huge, isn't it? That camera bump. It's massive. Like, I bet you it's a rocker. Should we have a look? Let's have a look. Yeah, okay, that might get a little bit annoying at some point, but here's the setup process. We might as well go through it while we can. English United Kingdom. Yeah, let's just read all that. Does anyone ever read them? Right, let me go put in the Wi-Fi password. So I like the hole punch straight away, and there's not as many bezels as I thought there'd be, which is quite nice. We can do all that, so we don't need to do any of that yet. But I'll put my SIM in this phone and I'll use it for a couple of weeks anyway, at least, to see what it's like. But I think that is the unboxing of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Let me know, what do you think about this phone? Is it something that you might want to pick up yourself, or is the price tag a little bit too expensive? Because it's not exactly cheap. This phone is quite an expensive one. So let me know in the comments below. Remember, subscribe to the channel as well. And until next time, we'll see you on the next video.